Hey guys, Ryman Hospitality Properties just announced a massive dividend raise, and in this video I want to tell you all about why this fantastic company may just be worth another look. So first of all, let me give you a short introduction to the company. Their performance has been absolutely outstanding, exceptional stock performance within the real estate sector. In fact, just to give you some comparison over the last year, they outperformed the overall real estate sector with a 51% total return since the start of 2023, which is absolutely crazy. And that's compared to the sector's less than 8% average. So average is 8%. Ryman Hospitality, 51%. Absolutely mind-blowing. And you know what? Even with that massive growth, despite their stellar performance, they remain an attractive investment opportunity, and I want to tell you why in this video. So we have to look at their financial health. We have to look at the dividend growth because that's the most important. That's the main thing here. And right after COVID-19, they had a quick rebound, and they had a promising outlook for dividend growth. In spite of COVID, in spite of the big hit that the economy took, Ryman was here to capitalize on their investments. So just look at the dividend that they just announced. They plan to pay, and this is the big news, guys, they plan to pay $4.40 per share in 2024, which is a 14% increase. 14% increase, double digits from 2023's $3.85 per share. So if you're into dividends, this is a fantastic dividend stock for you. If we look at the sector performance, economic challenges, then we see that group hotels have been in demand. They've had strong demand despite the economic uncertainties and the inflationary. We can't ignore inflation. In spite of inflationary pressures, they've had strong demand. In fact, they just had a record operating income. Fourth quarter operating income was at an all-time high. And their average daily rate, or their ADR, they achieved a record high ADR, 8.5% year-over-year growth. And then we have to look at the entertainment revenue. Their entertainment revenue grew by 26% increase in operating income from 2022 to 2023. So guys, no matter how you cut it, this is a fantastic company. Ryman has been absolutely destroying it. And you know what? It's not all just in the numbers from what has happened, but it's in their strategic investments for future growth. And first of all, I want to look at their investments in hospitality. $1.1 billion is planned to be spent across 6 hotels through 2027. Some of the key projects that they're working to expand are the Gaylord Opryland Hotel, the Gaylord Rockies, and Texan properties. And some of the expected benefits that are going to come with this expansion is they're going to have enhanced room rates and increased non-room spending. And then we have to look at their other side of the coin, which is entertainment. So they have hospitality on their right hand, they have entertainment in their left hand. They're looking to expand their Ole Red dining and entertainment chain, and they're developing their Category 10 entertainment complex in partnership with Luke Combs. Now, we also have to look at valuation and the outlook for their dividends. Is this sustainable? Well, their current valuation, they're trading at less than 15 times forward funds from operations, or FFO. That's actually considered really low given its growth momentum. And then when we look at potential for dividends, this is what I'm seeing. With a 56% payout ratio of expected 2024 FFO, there is room for future dividend growth. I don't know what that's going to look like, but do understand that there is room for future dividend growth, and I expect that the dividend will grow. So Ryman Hospitality Properties, it presents a compelling investment opportunity due to 3 things: strong performance, strategic growth investments, and their attractive valuation and dividend prospects. And all of this is amidst some challenging economic conditions. So imagine if some of these headwinds, if they go away, if the economy turns around, I expect that Ryman is just going to benefit all the more. But anyway, guys, I really appreciate you watching this video. I do want to say that I'm not invested in Ryman Hospitality Properties, but I do buy into a company every single week, and I post a video right here on this channel telling you all about it. So be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.